From January 1, 2026, will Nigerians wake up to blocked bank accounts if they don't have a tax identification number? That question has triggered fear, confusion, and widespread misinformation across social media. Before we go further, if you care about protecting your money and staying informed about Nigerian financial policies, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel because we break down important updates like this clearly and without panic. Some people believe their savings will be frozen. Others think every bank transfer will be taxed. Many are unsure if they even need to worry at all. In this video, we will explain what Nigeria's new tax reforms actually say, who they apply to, and whether your bank account is really at risk. No panic, no rumors, just the facts. Nigeria's tax reforms, scheduled to take effect on January 1, 2026, are part of the Nigeria Tax Act 2025. According to the chairman of the Presidential Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reforms, Mr. Taiwo Oidel, these reforms are not about increasing tax pressure on citizens. They are about rebuilding trust between the government and the people. At a public event in Lagos, he explained that tax reform is not just about rates or revenue. It is about answering the basic questions Nigerians ask every day. Why should I pay tax? How is my money being used? And is the system fair to everyone? Let's address one major fear immediately. Bank transfers are not taxed. POS transactions are not taxed. Deposits and withdrawals are not taxed. Moving money through your bank account is not a taxable event. Tax only applies when income is earned, such as salary, business profit, interest, or taxable gains. Simply keeping money in your account does not attract tax. Money sitting in your bank account is not taxable. Savings are not taxable, only income is taxed. This rule does not change in 2026. Yes, tax authorities will have better tools to monitor tax compliance, but this does not mean your bank balance will be taxed. It simply means authorities can more easily identify undeclared income. The focus is on income earned, not money saved. If you are a student with no job and no income, you do not pay tax. If you borrow money from loan apps or lenders, that loan is not taxable. Loans are not income. Only the interest earned by lenders is taxed. Anyone earning the national minimum wage or less, or earning below 800,000 naira per year, is fully exempt from personal income tax. At this point, if this explanation is already clearing up things for you, take a moment to like this video. It helps the algorithm push accurate information to more Nigerians and reduce the spread of misinformation. If you run a one-man business registered as a business name or enterprise, you pay personal income tax. If your business is registered as a limited liability company, you pay company income tax. However, small companies with an annual turnover below 50 million naira are completely exempt from company income tax. If you sell shares and make a profit, you do not pay tax if the shares sold are worth less than 150 million naira and the gains are below 10 million naira. Approved pensions and retirement benefits remain tax-free. Military salaries are fully exempt from tax. Disability pensions for injured soldiers are also completely tax-exempt. From 2026, creatives such as musicians, authors, influencers, and athletes must pay Nigerian tax on income earned both locally and abroad if they are Nigerian tax residents. Profits from crypto assets, NFTs, and other digital assets are taxable. However, dividends, interest, rent, and royalties earned abroad remain tax-exempt if they are repatriated to Nigeria through approved banking channels. Nigeria is introducing progressive tax bans. The first 800,000 naira earned yearly is taxed at 0%. Higher income levels are taxed gradually, with the highest earners paying more. This structure is designed to protect low-income earners while promoting fairness. Severance pay up to 50 million naira is tax-free. From 2026, individuals can claim rent relief of 20% of annual rent, capped at 500,000 naira. This means higher take-home pay for many workers. Now to the most important question. Will your bank account be blocked if you do not have a tax identification number by January 1, 2026? The answer is no. You will still have access to your bank account. However, you may be asked to provide your TIN over time. Opening a new bank account without a TIN may not be allowed. This is about gradual compliance, not punishment. Nigeria's tax reforms are designed to protect low-income earners, promote fairness, and rebuild trust in the system. Not to freeze bank accounts, not to punish citizens. If this video helped you understand what's really going on, share it with friends, family, and WhatsApp groups. And if you want more clear explanations on money, policy, and life in Nigeria, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Because when it comes to taxes, misinformation spreads faster than the truth, but informed Nigerians make better decisions.